Hi, hope you all are doing fine. Today we will be renewing registration certificate of Mumaris. So to start, you log into your account and click on services. Then this menu will open. Here you have to click renew registration, where it will direct you to this page. Here the process is mentioned. Read that process and click on apply. This will direct you to this page where you need to fill all the columns. Country is Saudi Arabia. Add your city. In service type, add government or private, then mention hospital name. In work experience, write specialty, whichever is yours. Then job title. Then description. Then select starting date of your service. Then select yes if working at that same place. Then in below work identification section, upload the document received from your hospital and press add. After pressing add, it will direct to another page. Check details on this page and press next to continue. Here application details will appear. Check those details and click apply to proceed further. Payment window will appear. Here you need to select payment type. If have to pay from Visa, select Visa and click proceed to payments. And add your card details and click pay. You will receive a code on your mobile number. Enter that code and click on submit. After submitting, your payment is done and renew registration is submitted, which will be received by you in some hours and will be intimated to you through email. Print that certificate and keep it for the record. Thanks for watching.